I'm at North Asheboro Park in Asheboro, North Carolina, and I'm getting ready to go to Mayor's Grove. What is that called? Asheboro Arboretum. There is a dogwood tree grown from a seed from Abraham Lincoln's birthplace. There is a apple tree that is grown here that was grafted from the last known apple tree from Johnny Appleseed planted. Does that make sense? So there's a Johnny Appleseed tree and an Abraham Lincoln dogwood tree here. Let's go find it. So I'm at Mayor's Grove, Asheboro Arboretum. This is the Johnny Appleseed apple tree, Rambo apple. Southern magnolia. A ginkgo, bur oak, hackberry, okay, this is gonna be fun. Mount Vernon red maple. Japanese cherry. Sycamore. This is a red bud, a red maple. Siberian elm. Crabapple. Is Abraham Lincoln's dogwood. It came from a seed from Abraham Lincoln's birthplace. This trail is concrete. It's a little rough, it's not smooth, but it's still great for bicycles or strollers. Quick walk in the park. Learn about your trees. This one says a moon sycamore. Sycamore. It's a pretty short loop. This is a live oak. Still has green on it in January 1st. A winged elm. There's a playground here as well, and there is frisbee golf course here. Today is New Year's Day. Happy New Year's. So I had a viewer who gave me an idea. If you would like to put a question in the comments, I will start answering one question on each video. You can ask me anything. I have the right not to answer it, but you can ask me anything and I will pick one and answer that question on the next video. So have fun. I'm a little scared. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a good thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next adventure. I'm going to go thaw out my face. It's very cold. See you later. Appreciate y'all watching. Thank you.